With Father's Day right around the corner, I wanted to do a video touching on a few different ways you can expand the scope of what you're selling to reach out to a broader potential customer base on Etsy specifically in this niche. I'm going to show you two primary methods I use to find in-demand product types. The first one, you know. The second one, I'm guessing the majority of you do not know, and it actually works really well. I'm going to give you an example of a product, using a product I actually sell that's generated thousands of dollars in sales in the last few weeks, by the way. So also a decent product reveal. So why don't we get right to it? Given that we're focused on Etsy primarily in this video, the first method is going to look familiar. I always want to remind you guys, you can go straight to the homepage and perform a simple keyword search. A little bit more to it than that, but I'm going to type Father's Day into the main search bar. From here, I'm going to open up Everbee and click Product Analytics. Now, I always like to search the entire database. So you can see right here, it says search the entire database, 49 million plus listings. I will click that. This is going to expand the scope of our search to over 800,000 products indexed on the search term Father's Day. Next up, what I like to do is I'm going to go to total sales and sort by that. This way we are looking over, well, it's a variable time horizon, right? You see there's a column here listing age, but why not look at listings that have generated, 10,000, tens of thousands of sales over, various time horizons. You can see the first one here is actually dog themed socks. So it's Father's Day. It's not just for your human babies. How about your dogs as well? Okay. And that also opens it up to, hey, maybe young kids want a Father's Day pair of socks to celebrate their dog, right? Just saying. You can get a lot of ideas though. So write down socks, write down, it looks like a custom portrait. You can click this sweatshirt. So custom sweatshirt, the socks again, custom wallets, custom air, what is it called? Like air freshener for your car. Looks like wallets, charcuterie board, something for weddings mixed its way in there. A gaming themed jar. And essentially what we're doing here, guys, again, this is an easy way to get ideas of products that are selling. You then need to match it up with a production partner that can do the fulfillment for you. Or if you're going to, go buy a machine and work out of your garage too, that is something you can do. And, definitely increase your profit margins, but your time is money. So make sure you pay attention to that as well. As you scroll, Everbee will continue to load more products here. And again, we are looking at total sales sorted by that. More socks, custom stickers. What is that? A card? Yeah, okay, it's a custom book. Interesting. So Daddy's Girl, it's what it said there. Custom signs. And I have seen those available as well in production partners. Custom golf tees, guys. There's a lot of great ideas out here. So again, as long as you can sell them, that's really the only thing potentially standing in your way from expanding. Here's a duffel bag, t-shirts, of course, just a ton of different opportunities. And with Everbee, you've got not only the total sales, there's different metrics. You can sort by monthly revenue generated, recent monthly sales, total reviews, etc. You can sort by favorites even. I mean, if not a lot of people are sorting by favorites, that column is right here behind me. That could also be a good indicator of, it for sure will be, right? If someone cares enough to favorite it, that's, sending a pretty strong signal. Now, the second thing I wanted to show you is something a lot of you guys did not know about, and that is leveraging the data from Etsy ads. Now, it requires that you have created some listings on Etsy already and run some ads to them. The longer time horizon, the better, right? The higher budget, the better, because it collects data for you. It's like being on Amazon and running an auto ad campaign where you essentially give Amazon some money and say, hey, expedite the process of figuring out what keywords and phrases are relevant to my products. Now, I did this for a product. It is a hot dog themed hat, okay? Hot dog themed hat. I'm not giving you the exact product. I don't think I really need to. And I pulled some of my Etsy search terms here from advertising it on Etsy. Now, this hat I mentioned has generated thousands of dollars in sales recently. The hot dog theme has been popping lately on Amazon, on Etsy, on every website. So there you go. Free niche there for anybody still watching. Thank you. Appreciate it. Hit the like button if you appreciate it. So check this out. Let's look at the search terms. First one, funny hats. That's not helping, right? Well, though it is a funny hat, and if I could rank number one when people type in funny hats into Etsy, that would be incredible. Next one, hat. Again, not very specific. It's not teaching me anything about the theme of this video, which is product discovery. But of course, that's a relevant search term in a sense. Funny hat, hot mulligan. So kind of like hot dog. Hot mulligan could be something that is worth exploring as a niche. Okay. Bad day to be a hot dog hat, hot. Bad day to be hot dog hat. So we've got a niche that's presenting itself. Hot dog with a space, hot dog with no space. Trucker hats, you're getting a specific type of hat. Dog hat, hot dog earrings, dog hats, funny baseball hat. So you're getting ideas of keywords as well to associate with your listings. This is based on what people type into the search bar. Okay. Trucker hat, funny and inappropriate. Hot dog trophy. So there's demand for trophies potentially. We saw earrings, specific types of hats, trophies. Bad day to be a beer could be another niche. Hats for dogs, again, different product, but what else is there? Have you guys ever done this before? Let me know if you've gone down the rabbit hole kind of and looked at the different search terms that Etsy will advertise your products on when you enable Etsy ads for a product. You see keychain right here. You've got slang for hot dog, glizzy. You've got purse, hot dog purse, hot dog candle, hot dog charm. Guys, I mean, these are only popping up here because people are actually typing it into Etsy's search bar. You got keychain again. So basically that's what I wanted to show you guys. I mean, you've got also a different, associated keywords and phrases. That is really what I wanted to show you guys. I mean, I've done this for other niches. I am kicking myself because the best niche I ever did this for, I should say, niche, basically niche. It was a t-shirt, but well, without giving it up, I deleted it. I wish I kept it, because I would have been able to give you even better data, because it was kind of an overnight trend that emerged. And of course, I hit it on every platform, enabled ads. Etsy gave me a ton of insights into various product types that people were searching for, beyond what I showed you in this video of random ones. Someone typed in hot dog purse. I mean, come on now, hot dog earrings. I thought that was funny. Keychains, etc. There's one hot dog necklace. Just so you know, I'm not making it up. Where did it go? Hot dog necklace. Where did it go? It was just there. Yeah, necklace. So there's a ton of ones of product types. And this is kind of operating under the assumption that you've got a winning design. Are you leaving money on the table? Or you got a winning niche like Father's Day. Are you leaving money on the table by not offering it on more products that are in demand? It's always nice to be able to data mine Amazon with an auto campaign, or Etsy using the standard Etsy ad. It's still kind of archaic in how it works, but it is what it is. So let me know what you guys thought. By the way, I'll link to Everbee in the description in case you guys aren't already using it. That's definitely where I would start the process. And second, if you haven't already, enable some ads on your products in these niches and pay attention to the search terms. You might want to turn them off. Like, I don't need to advertise on keychain if I'm selling a hat, but should I be selling that on a keychain? That's up for you to decide. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you soon with a new video.